Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your online class of maths. Children, we are in the third chapter, that is subtraction. In previous class we have learned subtraction with regrouping and we have completed exercise 3.3. So in today's class we are going to start comparing with the help of subtraction. Children, with the help of subtraction we can compare two numbers and find out by how much one number is greater than the other. So let's do one example problem here. Seema has 17 dolls and Amrita has 23 dolls. Who has more dolls and by how much? So let's do the subtraction to find who is having more and by how much. So Amrita is having 23 dolls and Seema is having 17 dolls. Now children, observe here, 7 cannot be subtracted from 3 because 7 is bigger one and this 3 is smaller. So you have to do the regrouping. Borrow 110 from the tens place. This 3 will become 13 and this 2 will become 1. So 13 minus 7 is 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So children, Amrita has 6 more dolls. Amrita has 6 more dolls than Seema. In the same way, you have to do the exercise 3.4. Ria is 29-year-old and her grandfather is 87-year-old. How many years Ria is younger than her grandfather? Children, Ria's grandfather's age is 87 and Ria's age is 29. So we have to find how many years is Ria younger than her grandfather. Again, 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. So borrow 110 from 10's place. So this 7 will become 17 and this 8 will become 7. 17 minus 9 is how much, children? 8. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So children, Ria is 58 years younger than her grandfather. Next, second question. There are two sections of second class in a school. In section A, there are 32 students and in section B, there are 43 students. Which section has more number of students and by how much? Children, section A is of 32 students and section B is of 48. So let's subtract 32 from 48 to find which section is having more students. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. So children, section B is having more number of students by section A. Okay. Third question. Sam needs 83 ice cream sticks for making a project. He has 39 ice cream sticks with him. How many ice cream sticks does he need more? Children, Sam is having 83 ice cream sticks for making a project, but he is having only 39 with him. So how many he need more to complete his project? So let's find. 9 cannot be subtracted from 3. So borrow 110 from 10's place. So this 3 will become 13 and this 8 will become 7. 13 minus 9 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So children, Sam needs 44 ice cream sticks. We have completed this 3.4 exercise also. Next, checking subtraction using addition. Checking subtraction using addition. Subtract 28 from 63 and check the answer. First, we need to regroup 63 as we cannot subtract 8 from 3. On taking 110 from the tens column, we get 5 in the tens column and 13 in the ones. Children, 63 minus 28. So what will happen here? 8 cannot be subtracted from 3. So borrow 110 from 10's place. So this 3 will become 13 and this 6 will become 5. 13 minus 8 is 5 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So we got the difference as 35. Now how do we check this answer is correct? So the method is very simple. We will add the difference of two numbers to one of the number we subtracted. So we have subtracted 28 from 63 now. So we should add this difference. We should add this difference to 28 to find whether we are getting this number or not. So let's add 28 and 35. 5 and 8 plus 5 is 13. Write 3 here and 1 as carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So we got 63. Both are equal or not? Yes, it is. So this proves that the subtraction was done correctly. So in the same way, if 96 minus 34 is equals to 62, then 34 plus 62 is equals to 96. Children, you have to do this by yourself. In the next class, we'll do the problems on checking subtraction using addition. Okay? Till that, you have to practice this and be perfect in the exercise 3.4 and this. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.